Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today I'm back with another interesting recipe. These are potato bubbles. It's a completely baked recipe with just 3 ingredients. So let's see how to make this interesting snack. So for this you need some large potatoes. First peel it, chop it and boil it. Take the boiled potatoes into a large bowl, add in some salt and butter. And that's it. You need only these 3 ingredients for this wonderful recipe. Mix everything really well and take a vegetable masher and mash these potatoes nicely. Once you mash these potatoes, you have to run it through a sieve to get rid of any chunks of that potatoes. Also, this step makes the potato mix really soft and smooth. Now you got a really soft and smooth potato dough. Take that into a piping bag. Here I attach one nozzle to the piping bag, but even without any nozzles, it works perfectly fine. Now make small dollops of this potato dough onto a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Now bake this in a 160-degree preheated oven for 35 to 40 minutes. But keep a close eye on it, you know your oven better. So once you see this color changed to a golden brown, take it out. And you can immediately serve this potato bubbles with some tomato ketchup or mayo. And you can actually pop each bubbles like this. And it is so crispy and tasty. My kids popped each bubble before having it and they finished it in a jiffy. So please don't ask me how to store it. So do try out this recipe. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot. Watch more interesting recipes from our channel. Thank you.